Okay, so I'm about to do a very interesting unboxing here, and there's a number of records in this one, and as you can see, it's a pretty big box, and these are some unique items, and I guess we can just cut the tape right here. I'm not sure what this is doing. We want this to be right up over here. So this way I could just peel the tape. That's the best way to get this open. Mighty Music Miller. Yeah, I'd like to see if I can get this, just get the glue open on this one, so I might be able to reuse this mailer for something. I prefer to do it this way. I can make this happen. See, I'm being very careful with it and just tugging on the glue a little bit, and also moving the box at the same time. See, we did quite well, and it'll actually reseal itself if I ever decide to ship it again. But for now, it's already opened, and we got here, I can see there's a sticker in here. Well, they put tape on the records themselves, so I'm not done here yet. I'm not sure why they did this. Anyway, you can see the records in the box. Well, the first one here is the Smashing Pumpkins MACHINA. As you can see, that's a very unique record. Just to give you a quick glimpse at it, there's a sticker right there that we're gonna have to open up. And as you could see, as you saw there is some plastic tape over the seal. I want to get this off without it peeling. I think I was able to do that successfully. There we go. There's our sticker. First order of business. A sticker from Roland Rex, the record store. Very nice. With this actual tape, we'll just tuck this down here for now. Alright, so this is the actual record itself. MACHINA, The Machines of God by the Smashing Pumpkins. And now, apparently this is an unofficial release, and it's a blue vinyl record. But look at the cover, it looks very nice. It's a near perfect clone. And this one I happen to know is on a blue vinyl record. And would you look at that? I got 2 copies of it. So this is a very rare record, and here I am with 2 copies of it. Very nice. Next is an even better record. Here in my hands, I have MACHINA 2 by the Smashing Pumpkins. MACHINA 2, The friends and enemies of modern music, as it says right here. We'll give you some more light to check this one out. There it is. The artwork is a little outdated from their 90s or 80s era. But what can you do? It appears to actually have some additional tracks as well. It has some demo tracks. And looking at this, it looks like it might not be a full track listing. Still a nice release. Lots of songs that I don't have even on CD. And this is a nice release right here. And would you look at that? I got 2 copies. So the 2 copies of these 2 releases are actually for, one of them is for a friend who wanted me to order for him. And because if you order from Rolling Rex, you get free shipping if you order a certain amount. And so I did this for a friend, and we ordered these together. So I got myself a copy and I got my friend a copy of both releases. So so I did not have these in my collection, and I'm glad to have them. Here they are, side by side. The camera's actually too big to fit them side by side, but here they are. Here we go. Machina 1, Machina 2, by Smashing Pumpkins. Very, very cool. This one though, this one is my favorite. This one had the all the mixing is completed, obviously. It does have a bonus track. It has speed kills. So if you look there, you can see it. Which record is that on? It's on side D, so where my finger was before. So it actually has speed kills on it, very nice. And so, well, let's go ahead and open this one. I'm gonna open this one for the video, since there's a couple minutes left. And I'll just toss my box on the floor over here. And so I can see a slash here where it opens up in the middle. And I got my clear sleeve, so we're going to put this in the clear sleeve for protection. And it is big, but it does fit. And now my trusty green guitar pick that I got here, that I actually use to play guitar with sometimes. The Great Dunlop. And all right, so we're gonna go ahead and go through the sealed plastic here with our guitar pick. All right, we're halfway there. And now we made it to the other side. That's done. And our sleeve is about to be opened. All right, there's some artwork here. on the sleeves. They're not just plain sleeves, they're cardboard sleeves. And the bootleggers, I guess, or the unofficial releasers, wow, this looks good. So the sleeves were done nicely. This was the artwork that was released for the CD. Next is there's some other artwork for the CD. As you can see, it's the same on both sides. And the third disc, they're all the same color, obviously. So the sleeves actually look pretty good. Maybe with the exception of this one. The one thing that does not look good, there's no booklet in here, by the way. You can see like some on the opposite side. There's the cover is printed a little bit. There's still some artwork in there inside the sleeve that I could see. There's no booklet in there, so they would have made this better if they didn't put demos on the track listing, because they put some extra demos here, as I could see on that track listing. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual record. So this is record one. Record one. And it looks gray, silver. Even the prints on the record are good. Yeah, so I'm not sure why they made the back cover like that, and I'm not sure why they added extra demos to the record, but it looks like they might have left some songs off as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm excited to add this one to my collection. And that's it for our video. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and I'll leave you a link in the description on where to buy a copy of this record if you're interested. So there you go. My latest unboxing. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe.